I'm making the state dessert for all 50 states in America. This is somehow stop number 10 on our tour, and we're gonna wait till the end of the video to tell you what state this dessert belongs to, so comment down below what your guess is for this state. The dessert we're making today is Basque Cheesecake. Now, according to my research, which I always have right here, Basque Cheesecake is this state's chosen dessert because it was created in the 1990s at La Viña, which is a restaurant in San Sebastian, Spain. However, this state is popular because of the state's large Basque population, and apparently there was a boom in the 1990s, and this was coined as a popular dessert from this state. So let me know what you think this state is. I'm not gonna tell you, so stick around till the end of the video to find out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me for the rest of these 50 videos making all the state desserts in America.
This is a really simple, straightforward recipe. So since there's no crust, we just start with the filling. We have 2 pounds of softened cream cheese with 2 cups of sugar, a tablespoon of flour, and we're also adding in just shy of a cup of heavy cream. Just mix that in your mixer for a few minutes until really nice and smooth. And then this goes in a 10-inch springform pan. You want it totally lined with parchment. Since there's no crust, build the parchment all the way up around the sides. That is essential. You want to bake it at 410 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes until the top is dark brown and barely jiggles. Cool to room temp and then chill for a few hours.
All right, so let's see if you're right, if you guessed what state this is. It is Nevada. I'm just saying that's what my research says, so if you think something else, just let me know in the comments, along with what state you live in and what dessert you think your state should be represented with. This is just a plain Basque cheesecake, so I'm not expecting a bunch of like notes of flavor, but I'm really interested in the texture because there's no crust. It's baked at a higher temperature, which gets you that nice dark burnt, which is intentional. Okay, so it's got a burnt flavor, which at first I'm like, do I like that? But I like it. Like, it's actually really good. That was really smooth and creamy. Okay, that's really good. Okay, full recipe is linked in the description so you guys can make this because you absolutely should. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me for the rest of this 50 video series making all the state desserts in America. I'll see you on the next state.